Gold, a shimmering metal that's as close to universal as you can get when it comes to value. But have you ever stopped to wonder why? Of all the materials on Earth, why did gold become the asset that nations and civilizations have revered for thousands of years? There must be a secret behind this selection, or you can call it passion for gold. Let's start at the beginning. Gold's allure isn't just modern, it's ancient. Civilizations across the world, as far back as the Egyptian pharaohs, saw this metal not only as beautiful for decoration but also as intrinsically valuable. Why? For starters, gold doesn't tarnish. Unlike iron or copper, it doesn't corrode, it lasts forever. In times before banks or stock markets, permanence mattered. There's also the fact that gold is rare, but not too rare. It takes effort to mine, making it valuable, but it's not unattainable. Combine that with its malleability, it can be molded into coins or jewelry, and you've got something that ancient societies could use for trade and as a store of wealth. So whether you were in Mesopotamia, the Americas, or the dynasties of China, gold became a universal symbol of prosperity. Fast forward to the 19th and 20th centuries, and gold wasn't just a symbol, it became the backbone of modern economies. If your country had gold reserves, your paper money was backed by it. This system brought stability to international trade. After all, gold's value didn't fluctuate wildly like modern currencies do. But, and here's where the cracks begin to show, the gold standard wasn't perfect. Critics argued that it shackled economies. Unlike today, governments couldn't simply print more money during a crisis. Their money supply depended on their gold reserves. This rigidity exacerbated economic downturns, most famously during the Great Depression. Countries like the US realized that flexibility was essential in a modern economy, ditching gold-backed currency in the 20th century. By 1971, President Nixon officially severed the tie between the US dollar and gold. So, where does gold stand today? Interestingly, despite abandoning the gold standard, gold hasn't lost its shine. It's still a safe haven asset in times of crisis. When all else fails, investors turn to gold for security. Central banks across the globe still stockpile it. And let's not forget how it shapes perception. Owning gold feels like owning something truly timeless. Still, there are debates. Critics point out that gold's value is psychological. It's based on tradition rather than utility. After all, you can't eat gold or fuel your car with it. And yet its role persists, proving that in economics, perception is just as powerful as reality. So, as we think about gold's journey, from ancient jewels to modern vaults, it leaves us with a question. Does gold carry value because it's practical or because we've collectively agreed that it should? Maybe the answer is both, and that might just be gold's truest power.